Hello students, I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. I will be teaching you political science today. Today subject is political science class 9th and the topic is India's foreign policy. India's foreign policy plays an important role in international relations. In this context, every country has to decide the nations with which it should be friendly, in which bloc it should be participate, or what position it should take in international relations. Now see the flow chart of factors affecting foreign policy. The first one is geographical location. Second, political system. Third, economy. Fourth, national leadership. Fifth, administrative factors. Foreign policy in India. All countries are members of the international system. No country is completely self-sufficient. There is mutual dependence in the international system. The theoretical framework in which such decisions are taken is called foreign policy. National interest implies the means by which the independence of the country are safeguarded. National interest also includes efforts to achieve economic development and steps to increase power and influence in the world politics. National interest and foreign policy. National interest and foreign policy are closely connected. National interest is fostered through foreign policy. National interest is considered to be the goal and foreign policy is considered to be the means to achieve it. Now, factors influencing foreign policy. Under this, two topics, geographical factors and political system. In the geographical factors, the geographical location, size, population, topography, coastline, availability of natural resources determine the foreign policy of a country. Now, next, political system. The opposition parties try to control the foreign policy by raising questions in the parliament. In a state like India with democratic political system, the union parliament plays a major in evolving foreign policy. Economics. In modern times, the economic condition has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy. A country having a strong economy is less dependent on others and thus can have its own independent foreign policy. National leadership. Much depends on the national leader who formulates the foreign policy of the country. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru contributed the policy of non-alignment to India's foreign policy. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee contributed a great deal to improving Sino-Indian relations. Administrative factors. Ministry of External Affairs, Foreign Secretary Ambassadors in other countries and diplomatic officers are the administrative factors involved in formulating foreign policy. The role of the National Security Advisor is also important in this task. India's foreign policy early phase. Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru shaped India's foreign policy of non-alignment. He opposed colonialism through India's foreign policy. He took an internationalist position and gave priority to global peace and security. India's foreign policy from 1991 till date means new economic policy. India adopted free market economy and reduced control over economy. In the foreign policy, priority was accorded to economy, trade, education and technology. There was increase in India's economic growth rate. New economic policy under these 3 points will came. First, liberalization. Second, privatization. Third, globalization. New economic policy refers to economic liberalization or relaxation in the import tariffs, deregulation of markets or opening the markets for private and foreign players, and reduction of taxes to expand the economic wings of the country. India's nuclear policy. India undertook the nuclear energy program immediately after independence. Department of Atomic Energy and Atomic Energy Commission were established. The generation of electricity being the main purpose, India wanted to create nuclear capability. India conducted first nuclear test in 1974 and second nuclear test in 1998. Defense system. The protection of our country's independence and integrity is the highest national interest. It means defense. Under this, when a democratically elected government becomes weak, the army overthrows the civilian government and imposes military rule. There is no time limit for the army to remain in power. Economic development. Economic development is regarded as vital to protect national interest. An economically weak nation will not be able to maintain its independence. It is influenced by the need to establish economic relations with the other countries, import, export, participation in world trade to strengthen the economy of the country. BRICS. BRICS is the group composed by the 5 major emerging countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, which together represent about 42% of the population, 23% of GDP means gross domestic product, 30% of the territory and 18% of the global trade. NNPT, the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons, commonly known as the Non-Proliferation Treaty or NPT. NPT is an international treaty whose objective is to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons. Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban. The Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty is a multilateral treaty that bans are nuclear explosions for both civilian and military purposes in all environments. Now, assignment. The first question is find some information about the countries with whom India had trade relations in ancient times. Second question, what is the meaning of economic growth rate? And prepare a chart for the economic growth rate of India, Nepal and Bhutan. Now, the last third question, write down the factors affecting of foreign policy. Thank you students. Have a good day.